Hello amazing coders, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our challenge, the daily UI challenge. We are on day 9 and today's theme is music player. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Eleftheria, I'm a front-end developer and I'm doing the challenge daily UI. I'm on day 9 of 100 and I will be using CodePen to code everything. You will be able to find all the code that I will be doing either on my CodePen or GitHub. I'm going to leave both links in the description below, and if you have any question also just leave it in the comments below. Enough said, let's start working. I have a template in CodePen and I'm always using the same template, so I don't have to write everything every time. We will be working on this part right here that says working area. Above that is today's theme with day 9, music player, and below that it's the footer. So for you, the important thing is just the working area. Now in the CSS, I have the body, the theme, the working area, and the footer. Again, the thing that it's important for you is the working area, which is like this part right here. We're not going to write a lot of things, but I want to show you a new website that I will be using, and for the music player I will try to do something like really simple and really quickly, but yet I think that the final result will be like very beautiful or very like aesthetically pleasing. We are going to have basically an album cover and below that some buttons, and that way it's going to be looking like a music player. The first thing that we are going to do is to create our album, our cover album. So I'm going to have a div. Okay, I'm going to copy these things from here. We're going to be using them like pretty much exactly the same. Maybe I don't need this class, but I definitely need the layout row and layout align center and center. These classes are from AngularJs material that I'm also going to be using here, and I will add an image. To do so, I will have like the image tag. Oops, sorry for that noise. Come on. Okay, now we are correct. And I've already found the image that I want to use, and it's going to be that one. Again, I'm going to leave in the description box this URL right here, so you can just copy and paste it. Okay, I don't need anything else, I just have the Bohemian Rhapsody, but below that I want to have some buttons. Okay, so we'll create a new row like that, and maybe also I'm going to copy and paste it one more time, because I'm actually I will be doing like 2 rows. Now inside these rows I'm going to have the button, so let's find the buttons. Okay, I will be using this flat icon website, and I already have searched here for music player, so pretty much I know what I want. For example, I do want this play button, exactly like this play button. Okay, to copy this one, it's really simple. Just go to copy image address, and we are going back to our CodePen. So here I'm going to have like a div with an image tag, exactly as we did before. Let's write our CRC. Okay. Now, because this is an HBG, you will have to write maybe a new function a new class to take care of how you want this one to look like. So I'm going to create that class. Let's say that I will add it here in the image. I will have it as a class music buttons. Okay, let's go right here and paste it over here. Okay, I will need to have like a height. I'm going to do it as like this one and that one. Okay, and last but not least, maybe have like a padding of 18 pixels for top and bottom and 6 pixels for left and right. So here you have it, and I'm going to copy this part again right here, and I'm going to paste it 2 more times, but I will change every time the image. I want something like this, or maybe like an arrow for going to the previous, or let's say the next music player, or like track. You can play however you like with it. You can use either the search bar, or you can see the recommendations from this part right here. I'm going to pause a little bit the video so I can search for the icons that I want, but then I will leave everything in the description box. Okay guys, and after that quick pause for me, I'm done with the buttons. I have in total 5 buttons with play, back and forth, volume, and some settings. Of course you can create your own music player, but this is just my version. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask me anything. Have an amazing day, have an amazing coding session. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you really soon. Bye!